$12 dinner.
Cody. Cody.
I had to put that in there.
What's happening here, Cody?
This guy's gonna shotgun a 4 Loko. Hold on, Louie.
I'm gonna need this footage for my new website, 24ounceShotgun.com.
If Louie wins,
Seriously.
if Louie can hold this down for 10 minutes,
24-ounce shotgun.
I'm buying him dinner. I'm buying him dinner. A $12 dinner.
Just look away.
Go. This might be the best footage ever taken.
Get that ass, Louie.
Don't stand downwind from him.
Louie, $12 dinner. Hold it down for 10 minutes. You ready?
I'm calling not finishing. Get at it, Louie. There's a point in the middle. It gets you about here.
Hold it.
And it just hurts. Oh, it gets so painful.
Don't keep it going. Keep it going. You got it?
That's too tasty. Fuck yeah, champion.
Hey, you tried.
I tried. I didn't get it. I couldn't get it all the way down. I got it to like there. I'm not gonna lie. I lose. Those kids seem really interested in what's going on. Give it up for that effort.
Beautiful.